joining. Like the title of this video says, I love you. Yes, I love you. I love you guys. All my YouTube subscribers. You're great people. Always here supporting me, helping me, liking my videos, sharing my videos, commenting on my videos. That's a great thing. What it is great. On this live video, I have a bunch of banana here, and if you want to eat some, then I can give you some, okay? If you feel like you need some bananas in your life. Some are ripe, some are still unripe. YouTube subscribers should be taken special. They're special people. You guys are very, very special. Oh God, it's good. But he's hungry. By the way, I'm not in my house. I'm out for a shoot. Says he or she loves you, how do you feel? You feel good or you feel sad? Some people when they tell them they love them, how? Well, for me, to you, subscribers, you are great people, always here to support my channel, always here to cheer me up, always here to watch my videos, always here to share my videos, always here to comment on my videos. For now, I have nothing to give you, but to say what I can do to say is only to say thank you so much for watching this video. And if you are here and you are watching this video right now, I just want to say thank you. Even if you skip, thank you. For you just to pass by, thank you. For you just to share the video, thank you. For you just to come and I just want to say thank you. For you to click on this particular channel, thank you. For you to subscribe on this channel, thank you. For you to share my video, thank you. For you to think about my video in your memory, in your brain, thank you. For you to get motivation from my videos, thank you. For you to criticize my videos, thank you. For you to, do whatever you do, thank you. For you to comment, thank you. For you not commenting, thank you. For you to sit here, thank you. For you to just come as a passerby, thank you. For you to like me, thank you. For you not liking me, thank you. For you staying here, thank you. For you not staying here, thank you. Alright, so right now I travel, I'm in a hotel. This is my hotel room. It looks very big. Yeah, the room is very, very big, I tell you what. My hotel room is very big. This is a TV that I have here. portable TV that is very good for my use, yeah. And sometimes it's always good when you are streaming and people are commenting, yeah. When you see people comment, Pablo, how are you? Thank you so much, Pablo. How you doing? I got a call. Pablo, how are you? Hello. 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 Yes, Mommy Lady, how far? How you doing now? I did fine now. How your side? Hello? Yeah, how your side now? So, thank you so much, Pablo. Pablo, thank you. Thank you for the like. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for everything. I love you guys, my YouTubers, my YouTube, how you call it? My fans, yeah, my subscribers. Please, if you are here and you are new to my YouTube channel, you can do as well subscribing to this channel and like and share this video. Mexico. Oh, Mexico. Mexico, you speak Spanish? Español? Yeah, I think you speak Spanish in Spanish? Yeah. Mexico with that big bag, big house. I love Mexico, man. One love. I love Mexico. Mexico have great people. You speak Spanish. Hola. Hola, Pablo. Hola. Juan Pablo. Thank you. Mexico. Hello. Yeah, I'm trying to. Okay. How you doing now? Don't bang bang. Yeah, wrong there. Now. Yeah, wrong. Somebody. On the yellow one, get door. Yeah, it's 6 months. 6 months. When he was 6 months, 2 months. Sorry, when he was 4 months. Yeah, he was 4 months. When he was 4 months. Yeah, he opened a quadra. How you open now? More do you over? More do you over? So. Alright. Well, no, I did Boko. I came to do something. I get where they go tomorrow. Example, I came to Boko. I'm going from Bodia. I already get darker. Nigerian situation. country with the situation. Go from beyond here. The man I'm here, machine. On the 16th. Wow. Over here. Well, one last over here. You don't take. Wonderful. You try. You try. Why? Why? Yeah. Yeah. Right. Pero vamos a ver si me lleva a falar. Alright. Alright, bye bye. Also, guys, I needed to pick that call. And yeah, I'm happy to be here. It's so good to be here with you guys, great guys. So let me start. So, supposing my YouTube channel is great, it's beautiful, and when you are here, you know, if you're a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing. If you're an old subscriber, thank you. Pablo, you are going. All right. Thank you so much for coming, Pablo. One love. Thank you. God bless you. Well, I don't know how to say thank you in Spanish, so I won't say much. But it's okay. Yeah, thank you so much for joining. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Is it possible? I don't think. Hello, Sam Glove. Sam Gloves, how are you, Sam Gloves? How you doing? All of them. Yeah, all of them, bro. Sam Gloves, I have all of them. How you doing, Sam? Are you good? Okay, I will do that next time, alright? I'll do it next time. Today, I'm not doing it, but next time, I'm gonna do it. Yeah, definitely. I'll do it next time. Just for you, Sam. Are we good on that? I'll do it next time. Well, if you don't mind, maybe next time we'll get connected and then we go live together. You come and then talk about your globes. How about that? Is it good? Do you think it's a good idea? Everybody subscribing, thank you. Please guys, subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. And if you want to support this channel, please support this channel. If you want to support this channel, you can. If you want, if you feel like it's very important, yeah. Thank you for joining. Sam Gloves, do you hear what I said? Yeah guys, welcome. Let me know where you're watching me from. Where you watching me from? Where you watching my live streaming from? Let me know. And greet you and greet your country as well. Let's know where you're watching us from. Let's know. Yes, Kana. Move on. Go back.
Are you doing something?
Boy.
Is it that?
Okay, that's fine. There's no problem. Mm-mm.
I want to bring back to school.
Okay.
Maybe I'll come back later too. Maybe I
Yeah.
might come, maybe I might not come. See you one. Bye. See you when I see you.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Sam Glove. Okay, but wait, Sam, if I may ask, do you sell your globes? Do you sell them? Or you have a company that produces globes? Or you work for the company that produces globes? Let me know. Do you sell them? Let's talk about it.
When I put up up to myself, give yourself advice. I say that 10 million naira when you use, they will give one person. You know, say this country now, big man go dey help big man, they go hardly help their fans. So up to their fans, I give MC advice. MC promise people face. Now the word they won't come out. No, they complain say, you don't want to get the best friend. They say, you get high, so be there when you high. You get high. You get high so you cannot see. They were not post like picking for line. I know people know. I know post like children online. I know close. I know beginning. I know how many years I spent. I know what make Nigeria worship me online. That is the reason why I don't post like picking. I know close. Let me see. Just imagine now. There's nothing I don't picking. No. The picking of the woman. There's no get the best man. And your owner after the book and say, yes, really. Them see Bakara. Picking of the woman. They don't want to get you. That's what you get when you allow your boss to worship your mind. To celebrate your attractions. They're not the God of music. They're not to say,
Yeah, ask a question. Would I ask a question? What are you?
I'm again now for like don't die. I'm again, I'm going to give you someone who think what you feel. Sorry, which Folake guy? That my Folake, that my girlfriend. What she get me down, she said. Folake, you don't know. Which day? Yes, last week. Last week. Please, please, that kid. Somebody did that kid. See, time like this thing. He be like, cool. That last week. Yeah, put that on my breast. That's the kid. What have I done?
Intercontinental College of Technology, ICT, is pleased to invite interested candidates for a scholarship examination meant exclusively for candidates who would start for the 2024 UTA, scored 100 points and above, and have at least 5 credit passes in relevant O-level subjects and are willing to do a change of institution to ICT. Courses available include ND Science Laboratory Technology, ND Electrical Electronics Engineering Technology, ND Fashion Design and Clothing Technology, ND Multimedia Technology, ND Printing Technology, ND Computer Science, ND Accountancy, ND Business Administration and Management, and ND Statistics. Eligible candidates are encouraged to apply for this opportunity at the registrar's office or via the link provided in the description. They are also required to come along with the sum of 1,000 naira only for their scholarship test. Venue is at the Intercontinental College of Technology, Limited to Yojiburu, Nairobi, Benue State, Nigeria. Date is Monday, 2nd December 2024. And time
Thank you guys for joining.
For more inquiries,
Hello.
please call 0912.
Happy to have you here. Everybody, you are welcome. You are welcome. I don't have the globes with me here. Like I said, I'm in a hotel. I'm not at home, so I don't have globes here. Sam. I'm thirsty. I need to drink some water, man. Just hold on, guys. How do you drink bottled water? Do you drink like this? What do you do? Some people drink it like this. Some would drink like this. How do you drink your bottled water? Some would drink like this. It's great, man. I have a video I'm going to post tomorrow. So guys, I have to end this live now because I need to attend to something. I'm so sorry about that.